Adding a welcome screen to your Wix website can greatly enhance the user experience and create a lasting impression on your visitors. In this guide, we will walk you through the process of adding a welcome screen to your Wix website step by step. First, log into your Wix account and access the editor for your website. Click on the Add button on the top bar and select Page from the drop-down menu. Choose the type of page you want to add. In this case, a new page for your welcome screen. Name your page and click on the Create Page button. You will be taken to the page editor where you can customize the layout and design of your welcome screen. You can add text, images, and other elements to make it visually appealing. To make your welcome screen more engaging, you can add a background image or video. Click on the Background button on the right sidebar and select the image or video you want to use. You can also add a call to action button to direct visitors to other pages on your website. Once you have designed your welcome screen, click on the Settings button on the top bar and select Page Settings. Here, you can set your welcome screen as the home page of your website. Select the page you just created and click on the Save button. To make your welcome screen appear as a pop-up or overlay, you can use the Wix Layers feature. Click on the Add button and select Layers from the drop-down menu. Create a new layer and add your welcome screen page to it. You can customize the settings to make it appear as a pop-up or overlay. Finally, click on the Publish button to make your changes live. Your welcome screen will now be visible to all visitors who access your website. Remember to test your website on different devices to ensure that your welcome screen appears correctly. By following these steps, you can create a stunning welcome screen for your Wix website that will engage your visitors and set the tone for their browsing experience. With Wix user-friendly editor and wide range of design tools, you can create a welcome screen that reflects your brand and style.